Hey guys, can you see that? The sun is up. And we're back here sa area kung saan kami nagstay. And nung dinaretso namin, there are a lot of other cafes and restaurants with a view. Kasi yung view nung area to, just like dun sa ipapakita kong mga view coming from our window. Ayun siya. Overlooking. At kung bakit kami napadpad dito, it's because we're looking for the Viet Trekking Cafe. Yun daw kasi yung restaurant na may magandang view. Finally found it. This is Sapa Viet Trekking. And ito yung view niya from here. So ito yung Viet Trekking restaurant. Yan. Tignan niyo kung gaano ka-aesthetic. Napakadaming halaman inside and it looks like a greenhouse. Tapos ito naman yung mga dining table nila. Yan o. Our food's finally here. So, ang in-order lang namin yung mga menu nilang vegetarian. So, we have the noodles, fried pork, and then yung vegetarian din na pizza. But aside from the aesthetic na interior nila, look at this. Yan. Ayan yung view na makikita ng lahat ng mga nagda-dine in here. Especially kung clear yung skies. Kanina kasi medyo foggy eh. Ayan guys, hanggang CR, puro pa rin halaman. It's a green restaurant indeed. Yeah, so that was the Viet Trekking restaurant. Tapos sa baba nila, merong coffee shop. So if you want to continue eating for your desserts and coffee. And that is what we're going to try. Sana lang may decaf. So yung mga kumain kanina sa taas, nandito din sila. Siguro ganun talaga yung yung ginagawa ng most of the guests here. After eating din sa taas, they're gonna get their dessert here. So sad to say, they don't offer yung decaffeinated mga coffee. Kaya napilitan ako magkape ng hindi decaf. And they only have a few selections of cakes. Parang pare-parehong cake siya, iba-iba lang yung flavor, like matcha, tiramisu, and yung passion fruit. And then may ilang mga croissant na nakapack na. Okay guys, verdict time. So, Yung mga in-order namin, actually coffee, tapos yung ginger tea, at saka isang slice ng cake lang yung in-order namin. And for some reason, kasi siguro hindi na ako sanay mag-coffee na hindi decaf, so hindi ko siya masyadong nainom. Maliit lang yung in-order ko. This is, actually parang one size lang siya kasi I just ordered yung coffee with condensed milk, and then it's just this size nila sinaserve. And yung lasa, parang nothing special naman kasi kalasa lang siya ng nakape na nilagyan ng condensed milk. So kapag kasi yung ganun yung timpla, parang iisa lang yung lasa niya kasi it's just really the coffee and then the taste of the condensed milk. And then for the slice of cake, we get yung passion fruit na flavor. So ang tapang nung parang syrup lang yata yung nasa ibabaw niya. So maasim. So parang baka flavoring lang siya, hindi talaga siya made out of the fresh passion fruit. I guess the same goes to other flavor na matcha at saka yung sa tiramisu. So overall, I think you are going to pay here for the experience, not necessarily dun sa food, including yung sa yung sa resto kanina sa taas. Kasi okay lang yung pagkain, pero hindi siya something na you would go back to. Pero yung view, yung aesthetic na interior, and then yung view outside, definitely you would go back to experience that again. Yon, so hindi naman na siya bad for the price kasi like yung kinain namin sa taas, no, yung lunch namin, that's tatlong klase, dalawang noodles, tapos isang pizza. Parang total niya is around more or less 650 in pesos, and then yung coffee here plus the cake is around 350 in pesos. Just overall not bad, diba? Especially if you have this view plus yung interior nila. So again, you are going to pay for the experience. Biglang lumabas yung haring araw, guys. Kita na ulit yung view natin. Yun. So kitang-kita din yung mga ulap and yung view din sa baba. Hey guys, it's 7:30 PM now, and kanina after naming mag late lunch and tumambay dito sa coffee shop ng Viet Trekking, we went back to our homestay dito sa room, and then nag-rest lang a bit, and then now we're going back out for dinner. So sa daming kainan dun sa labas, kasi galing din kami ganyan kagabi, ang hirap maghanap ng kakainan. So let's take the same challenge today, and then later tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakahanap ng dinner natin. So this is quite different from last night kasi kagabi meron parang group here, they're having their dinner together, pero ngayon tahimik na. Kasi nga, siguro Monday today. Guys, nagbagong anyo na ang Sapa Center. Yan, puro na uli siya ilaw. Just like last night. It's another cold night here in Sapa, guys. But what's better is, hindi umuulan. So, hindi ganun kabasa. Unlike kagabi, when we were walking, sobrang putik ng place na to. Now, medyo may ganun pa rin, pero kasi umuulan-ulan din kanina. But now, it's no longer raining. So, this is what I meant na nagtatransform yung Sapa City Center kapag kagabi. Kita nyo, ang daming ilaw everywhere. We're now here in Lady Bird Hotel. Meron silang restaurant. So kagabi, we went here late, kaya hindi kami nakapasok. But now, they're still open. Kasi, it's just 8 PM. So we're gonna eat here. Dito kami sa taas. Yung restaurant to, guys, yung Lady Bird Cafe and Restaurant, is right across yun, yung famous na Kong Cafe. Yan, nandun lang siya sa other side. So for our dinner, we ordered again yung available dun sa mga vegetarian menu nila. And I think most, if not all, ng mga restaurants here, they always have this page dun sa mga menu nila for vegetarian options. So, what we're going to take now is yung vegetarian pho, and then yung vegetarian na fried rice, and yung spring roll ulit na vegetarian din. Food's ready, guys. So we have here the vegetable lumpia, vegetable fried rice, and vegetable pho. So far, guys, for today, ito yung food na okay sa akin, yung lasa. Parang fresh out of the kitchen. Pati yung vegetable na pho, even without anything on it. Ang sarap. Good decision that we went back here. Ang sarap lahat ng pagkain nila. Kahit na lahat yan vegetarian. And for the very first time, yung binili naming spring roll, suka yung sausawan. Usually kasi parang sineserve nila pure toyo with sili on the side. See this, guys. Yeah. Kahit na busog na kami, we managed to finish everything. So this is really a must try. Again, yung location ng Lady Bird, if you're familiar, doon sa laging lumalabas sa mga other vlogs, ayan, Kong Cafe. So dito lang siya sa other side. So dito lang din siya sa Sapa Center. You should go try yung mga menu nila na vegetarian options. Pinakamura yet the most satisfying na meal namin here. You guys should really go and try them. Okay, the name again is Lady Bird, across nung famous na Kong Cafe here in the center of Sapa. Ito guys yung restaurant nila, Lady Bird. They have the hotel and they have the restaurant here. Tapos doon kami sa taas kumain. They have the second floor. May alfresco, tapos dito sa baba nila meron ding loob. So guys, we're back in our homestay, and this is where I'm going to end this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you will get updated with more of my video about Vietnam only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one.